So the accident here in Jamaica must was like some Grand Theft Auto type thing. Because the police car chased down another car and then bam! Accident go on. And according to all the man we do the recording, the man said the policeman all pull out in peace. Watch what go on.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, on our way to.
This is your boy London Voice here live inside of Ocho Race, where the police officers were running down a car, a Tida to be exact. This is the result of the police car. As we can see here, they just crashed right inside of the man's vehicle in a real life.
Police them a fool.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, Ocho Race, this is what's going on right now live in Ocho Race. This is your boy. You know, we always reporting live. And now the police officer is wrong, and now he's backing his gun on the driver of the car. So this is one St. Mary car, St. Mary. DJ was your car mash up so here. Yeah, you know I report live all the while.
Now, me understand accidents do happen. And this is not the first time we see a police car in a chase and running a car. Not the first time. But the part where the brother say, yo, the policeman pull out him tool, well, me never see it in the video still. But the brother where record said that. If that is actually factual, why did that happen? Is my question. Wanna get my point? Charge me down in the comment section. Let me know what you want to think about that little clip there. Alright. Now, as you know, a whole heap of dancehall entertainers from way back when, from all in the 90s, some of them kind of wash up right now and nothing go on for them. Well, Devin the doctor kind of talk up and I say, yo, enough artists right now are struggle and if you survive off of only dub plate, if them get none. Listen what Devin have said then.
You can go back from way back in the 90s. Why 90% of 90s artists, they now no money and broke and hungry. And while I producer them and the managers and all of them live at Jacksonville and Cherry Garden. You can look on it. The youths nowadays can look on and say, that artist, how much people you can have? Big up to Bounty Killer. How much of them really have even? And then at the end of the day, I always say this to you, you can't even blame a lot of the artists because reggae music, dancehall music are really poor people thing. Them have the education. So like I said before again, where is the artist or the biggest artist from the 90s? Or with them they were the biggest artists, them there. Look on them and look on the biggest producers and the biggest managers from the 90s. The whole of managers and the artists, them live at Jacksonville, Cherry Garden, and everywhere up there. So the artists, them cannot even survive without a dub plate.
Wow.
I mean, I talk about 95% of the music industry from the 90s.
Wow. Wow.
And you can check it and see.
Trust powerful, Devin. I want to
No, you can check it and see, man. A real thing. That's why I tell you, a lot of them don't inspire me. Not because you're the baddest DJ or you did go DJ up on the TV station, you're from in the 90s. You're the first one to go BET. You're the first one to get a Grammy. Yeah, you're the first one to get a Grammy. Congratulations. You're the first to go from BET. Congratulations. You're the first to get a record deal. Congratulations. But what you do, but me still blame them. Because if me help you as an artist, me want to see you flourishing not just your music, but as a person. So then me have to make sure that your money right, because you're going to represent me. My name I go forever stick to you. You get me? So 90% of them don't inspire me, man. For Grammy. So me can say Bob Marley do something for me. Me can say that. Me can proudly say that anywhere me go in the world. Because of Bob Marley. And because Bob Marley did that think about the future. Bob Marley create Tough Gang International. So we all live to see that. And we see Junior Gang. We don't have to call out him film picnic them. You see that? How much artists from the 90s can say?
And Gage said something, and it really resonated with me. Gage was, you know, they were talking about kind of like the generation gap with the new age artists versus the 90s artists and so forth. And Gage said that he pretty much said the same thing that you said. He said those guys didn't set a foundation because he's like, yo, listen,
nope.
This, you know, the 90s artists, the yesteryear artists, they always say that, you know, the youth, them nowadays, you know, them this and them that. But why don't we have X amount of labels in Jamaica?
Them not have
we
any.
can go.
Them
You
not
know
have
what I
any.
say? Where we can go and we can voice. Why aren't there no major labels?
And then look at the international scene. Every single artist that got through the gate, them create them label and them send through artists, and as them artists they reach, them create a label and send through. So I go find out that for them music will forever grow. Dancehall music stagnant. Dancehall not grow from whenever every 10 years we get one single song. We don't have nobody to put them money behind the music. If me par with you because you have the hot name and then me get a break, okay. But what about who really have the big top artists? I understand that. I respect them struggle to reach where them there. But what you do, it's all about me. Me are the biggest. Me are the this. Me are the that. And you take and take and take and take and you don't give back to the industry. So, sorry, but you didn't inspire me 90s people.
Well, the man says sorry, but you not inspire me. Yo. But who they can actually say them no agree with what Devin has say? A whole heap of artists before Devin and before some of the other artists them right now who in the business make some money but never really say, yo, set up a foundation so other youths can come and say, yo, go through the gate too, and then them other youth they can forward and go through the gate and create another option for another set of youth. Enough of them not do it. And, well, me don't know about the 95% part, but Devin says so. So, but the thing about it, enough artists really no food right now, and by food I mean money. Enough artists really are struggling. I talk about artists from in the 90s where nothing now go on for them right now because enough of them probably never invest the right way. Or as Devin say, enough of them get robbed up from managers and producers because the manager them and the producer them live up in the hills and the mansion while the artists them still a struggle, not even have royalties for collect. Oi? Watch ya. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what your views on this and let me know if Devin make whole heap of sense or not. Seeing? Watch on, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.